Latest breaking news updates. So as this controversy unfolds, the school, like was temporarily shut down for 2 days after the controversy. The school even approached the High Court, and the High Court has taken note and has granted protection. Tomorrow the school is supposed to resume. My colleague Arpita is at this school, which is in the center of the controversy. What is the kind of police protection that you're seeing around you? Because tomorrow, once the school resumes, as per what the High Court has said, they have granted police protection. So take us through what the situation is like around the school currently, Arpita.
Well, yes, Sagarika, you can see I'm standing right outside the school where you can see police officials standing here. This is after the High Court had ordered that they will give police protection after the school authorities approached the High Court for police protection because they were claiming that when the school authorities informed the parent about this entire incident and asked the student to remove the hijab, the parents along with few members of the SDPI had come to the school, threatened the school principal and teachers and asked them why they were not allowing the student to wear hijab, is what the school authorities have said. And it went on so bad that they got scared, and that is why to control the situation, the authorities approached the High Court, and after that the High Court has granted them police protection. Now the school has been shut for 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday. They will be resuming school tomorrow. But on the other hand, Education Department has also ordered a probe, and in fact Education Minister has clearly said that they will look into the matter, what exactly happened. And Education Minister in fact went on to give a very balanced statement where first he said that nobody has any right to question what to wear, but he also said that the school authorities should have taken this matter in a matured way, because even though there is a school uniform, prescribed school uniform, and all students are asked to wear that uniform that is prescribed by the school authorities should have taken this incident in a matured way and could have handled this in a matured way, is what the Education Department has said. But here the authorities are alleging that SDPI workers came and they threatened him, and that is why the police protection you can see behind me. But we need to see what happens tomorrow, because the police protection will continue, and the authorities are saying that this was threatened, that the SDPI workers were threatening. The teachers were really scared, and that is why they had to shut the school.
Now that the matter has gone to the Kerala High Court, there was a petition that the school, filed at the Kerala High Court, following which the school has been given protection. The role of the SDPI comes under the scanner because it is being alleged by school officials and the principal that the father of the student came in with outsiders. Here, the outsiders, as mentioned by the school, are members of the SDPI. You are tracking information that there were about 6 to 8 members who came in, and then the school felt threatened by the way they behaved after this controversy unraveled. What does the petition of the school specifically mention now that they've taken the matter to the High Court? Okay, I want you to stay with us as we talk more about the role of the SDPI in the entire controversy. Tom Vadakkan of the Bharatiya Janata Party is joining me live on this broadcast. Mr. Vadakkan, the hijab showdown seems to be repeating in the state of Kerala 3 years after we saw the storm that took place in the state of Karnataka. Right now, the role of the SDPI comes under the scanner. What do you make of this development that's taking place with regards to this controversy around the hijab in school?
Very unfortunate indeed. My worry is that the politicization that is happening nearing election is resurrecting again in the midst of this hijab issue. While there is an issue of minority education institutions having protection, so is the child also has the protection of the minority issues. Now, under the situation, this could be a matter that could be settled at the parent-teachers meeting and the school authorities. A. B. Uniform code is something that is across the country, this rule apply. Now, if there is a child not wearing according to the uniform code, they would be fined or things like that. are also in our knowledge. Under the circumstances, these are issues that need not be weaponized by the left government or any government.
Mr. Vadakan, you've made a comment about weaponization of a particular issue like this, which definitely takes communal undertones if we go by the commentary that is currently being made around the issue. Why do you think the left government is weaponizing this entire controversy?
There's a dividing society. You would be close to a particular community, whether it's Muslims or Christians. The process is to ensure that they get more votes during the election time and create a situation where they stand for hijab. This is not an issue of hijab or no hijab. This is a question of a child who has a right and the school which also has a right. So this can be amicably settled by, I said, parent-teachers meeting and the school authorities.
Right.
And the court in its wisdom has decided to step in by giving protection.
I apologize for interjecting, but now that the school has made allegations against members of the SDPI, do you think the state should also crack down in case there are attempts and there is, if these allegations happen to be true, that SDPI members came in, they threatened the school authorities, do you think the state should also crack down on SDPI?
The state will not, unfortunately, because it is in their interest that the SDPI and other organizations are working together. They are hand in glove in the whole issue.
All right.
So it is an issue where they are using to weaponize, I repeat that again, to create a divide.
All right.
Believe that they can mentor votes for themselves. But when society realizes that these are game plans and tool operations of a political party to ensure they stay back in power.
So big charge there coming in from the BJP. Thank you, Mr. Vadakan, for joining us on this broadcast. So the Bharatiya Janata Party claims that there is a deliberate attempt to weaponize the entire hijab controversy with the role of the SDPI coming in the scanner. The BJP says that the state will not take any action against the SDPI after these serious allegations that have been made by school authorities. We are going to keep our focus on that story, but time